built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day.
Fuck you, 250. Fuck you.
This ends the test of the no longer radio warning alarm.
Are you fucking...
The forecast for northeast inland Ohio. Rest of today, cloudy. A slight chance of rain and snow showers this afternoon. Highs in the upper 30s. Southwest winds around 10 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 20%. Tonight, cloudy. A chance of snow showers in the evening, then snow showers likely after midnight. Snow accumulation around an inch. Lows in the upper 20s. West winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of snow 70%. Thursday, mostly cloudy. A chance.
Of course. The only fucking the 250 never activates for weekly tests, but the fucking Reecom couldn't activate. You motherfucker. You motherfucker.
It sucks so bad.
You motherfucker. This thing activated though, although I didn't like hear it at all, but it did activate because I saw the light blinking. So, hooray!
What do you have on your desk? What's on the desk?
Room exploded.